how you can turn active off on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can turn off your activity or active status on Instagram. Now active status actually indicate that you're online or that you're active on Instagram with a green dot icon next to your profile picture. In order to disable it or to turn it off, you'll need to first of all update the application and then log in into your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll need to go ahead and click on the profile icon located right at the bottom. This is going to direct you to the profile page. On this page, go ahead and click on the tab bar icon. After that, you need to go ahead and click on settings. Once you've gone through the settings page, you'll need to scroll down a bit to click on privacy. As soon as you click on privacy, you need to scroll down and go ahead and click on activity status. After that, over here you can see currently my active status is turned off, but if you have enabled or turned it on, you'll be able to see a blue dot, and in order to disable it, toggle the switch. And as soon as you've done that, you'll need to exit the application, refresh it, and once again log in into your account. And that is basically how you can turn off your active status on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.